Now our motto, determine Z input. Okay, input impedance corresponding to AB circuit. Okay. Now how can determine? Turn ratio is also given, that is 1:5 and 4:1. So first of all solve this circuit. Solve this circuit. After that, I know that first of all make, and this one is a C and this one is a D. Okay. So first of all make, that is 24 ohm, and here that is dot, that is 4:1, and this one is a 6 ohm, and this one is minus J10 ohm. Clear? And this is C, this is D. What is the equivalent corresponding to this one? Okay, what is the equivalent corresponding to ZCD? Okay, if this is the primary side, this is secondary side corresponding to this circuit. Okay, now whatever be the polarity direction like this one or polarity like this one, not affected if this one is converted into, that is 24 ohm, and this one is 6 divided by n square. What about n? N is equal to 1/4. So by 1/4 to the whole square, and this is the capacitor, minus J10 divided by 1/4 to the whole square. Okay. Now after that, that is 24 ohm, and this one is 6 into 16, that is 96. And after that, what about capacitor? That is minus J 160 ohm. Okay, that is ZCD. Finally, this one, that is 120 ohm. Okay, so if this corresponding to CD, you can also written as 120, and this one written as minus J 160 ohm. Clear? After resolving this circuit and finally make like this one. Clear? Now once again, if this is the secondary side, if this secondary side converted into primary side, then again Z divided by n square. What about n? N is equal to 5/1, that is only 5, n1 is 5. Okay, so if you make, that is 8 ohm, that is J12, and this one 120 divided by n square means 5 to the whole square, and this one minus J 160 divided by 5 to the whole square. Okay, that is Z in. Okay, now this one is also written as 4.8 something, 120 divided by 25, that is 4.8, that is 4.8 ohm, and this one is minus 5.6, sorry, 160 divided by 25, that is 6.4. Okay, so finally Z in is written as 8 plus J12 plus 4.8 minus J 6.4, that is 12.8, that is plus J 5.6 ohm Z in. This is Z in. Clear? First of all make it. Now our motto, determine I1 and Z input. Okay, our motto, determine I1 at input impedance corresponding to the circuit, given circuit. Okay, now how to start? I know that if you want to I1 means if you make corresponding to this one, and this one is given, that is 1:2 and this one is 1:3. Okay, simply. Now whatever be the dot polarity, doesn't matter. If you converted here, after that here, okay, corresponding to impedance. Now if this one is converted here, first of all make it this one, that is 5 ohm, that is J 2 ohm. Okay, now and 1:2. First of all make, that is 8 ohm. If this one is converted here, suppose that is C and that is D, CD. If you make corresponding to CD, okay, this is the primary side and this one is the secondary side. If this one is converted here, then 136 by n square. What about n? N is 3 by 1, that is 3. So it is written as 36 by n square means 3 to the whole square, and it is also, this is inductor, so J, this one is an inductor, so J 18 divided by 3 to the whole square, that is 9, that is 4 ohm, and this one is J, that is 2. Okay, clear? After that, this one and this one, 4 plus 8, this is 12 ohm. Okay, that is 12 ohm. If you want to, this one is converted here, then make again 1 by n square, means what about n? That is 2 by 1, that is 2. So 12 by 2, that is 12 by 2 the whole square, and this is the inductor, that is J 2 ohm divided by 2 square, and that is minus J 2 ohm, and that is 5 ohm, and here voltage source, that is plus minus 24 at the angle 0. Here that is 24 at the angle 0. Clear? Now this one is 4, so that is 3 ohm, and this one is plus J 0.5. So finally Z in this equal to 5 minus J2, okay, plus 3 and plus J 0.5. So 5 plus 3, that is 8, and this one is minus J 1.5. Okay. Now that is 8 minus 1.5 J, if it is converted into polar form, that is 8.1394 at the angle minus 10.6. So what about current? I1 is 240 divided by 8.1394 at the angle minus 10.6. So 24 divided by 8.1394, that is 2.948 at the angle plus 10.6 ampere, that is I1. And what about input impedance? Input impedance is 8 minus J 1.5, or you can say that is 8.1394 at the angle minus 10.6 ohm. This is the final answer. Make it.